Guys, what's up? Donatello's Workshop RC, the Dave here. What's up? It's time. We got to do the maiden run right now. I'm not done with the decals and I want to think a few things out and not rush it because I don't want to screw them up, you know. But gunmetal, it's gonna look sick. It's gonna look sick. It already does look sick, but I'm going to a movie here in like 15 minutes, so I gotta run it now. Okay, we gotta go. Let's do it. So here you go. I'm not done with the livery. I'm not done with the decals, but there's your basic build in gunmetal. I think it looks pretty sick. Wow, it's gonna be proper quick. All right, man, I'm a little bit surprised already. There's the wife. Holy crap. It's actually fast. Hi, honey, maiden run right here. You did? No way. Cool. Maiden run right here. Look at the gunmetal. Yep. Maiden run right here. It's freaking proper quick too. All-wheel drive is badass. I'm just barely starting. We got to go in 15 minutes to the movie. Oh my gosh, yeah. And I don't want to run these tires out. I don't want to totally destroy these tires, so I'm going to take it easy. I got Schumachers coming with the hot laps. So, and then I can do grass and dirt with these potentially. Man, my geometry is pretty decent. It freaking turns, man. This thing turns. Doesn't get a lot of grip on this stuff. I'm not getting a ton of grip. I could turn my steering down even more. I mean, there you go. This is like a all-wheel drive buggy. Drives like an all-wheel drive buggy should, I guess. It's pretty sick. It's quicker than I thought it was gonna be stock, honestly. Quicker than I thought it was going to be. Track's pretty decent. Thing's freaking quick. I'm obviously going to hook up much nicer with hot laps for this street. But oh my gosh, man. Dip feels good. Slipper feels good. It's smoothing out, it's running in. My alignment, it's not centering as nicely as I'd like. Maybe some of that needs to run in. Work on my geometry a little more. But it's a four-wheel drive buggy, that's for sure. It's running in more and more too. Dude, I like it. I like it. It's fun. Yeah, it's wrapping up. I got a little tiny bit of droop. Tiny bit of droop. Freaking looks nice. It's good looking. You know, I'm not done with the livery. We'll see. I kind of wanted to keep this one simple anyway, but there are definitely more decals that I need to and want to put on. So, but I couldn't wait because by the time I get home from the movie, it's going to be dark. So I had to do the maiden run. Had to. and it took me a while to paint. You know, I did 4 coats. I did 3 coats of gunmetal, backed it in black, and I had a couple other pieces and odds and ends I had to paint too in black, like the front spoiler for the B4, and actually the gear cover on this, which a lot of guys are just leaving clear. Dude, I painted it black, because why not? You don't need to see through there. You can pop it off with 2 screws. It's not a big deal. Yeah. Dude. I freaking like it. It's running in nice. Dude, it freaking handles good. It freaking handles good. I'm gonna wear these tires out. I didn't want to wear these tires out. Just this one run, and I'm gonna retire these tires. I gotta go back to work the rest of the week. I'm not gonna be able to run it anyway. Maybe one other time. I could tomorrow, but I got tires and wheels coming. Schumachers and Hot Laps. By the way, the Schumacher 2.2s with the offsets, they do fit. I took my wheels off the PR, which are those, and they totally fit and cleared everything. Perfect offset for this. No issue there at all. So if you were wondering, that's what works. And those Schumacher wheels are nice. There's nothing wrong with them at all. They come in black and white. I think you can even get like red or something. Oh my gosh, this thing's fun. I'm a bit surprised, I'm gonna be honest, with the speed. I thought it would be more conservatively geared than that. It must be the KV in the motor I've got here, 4350 KV. But stock gearing all the way. And I think it's like a 24 tooth pinion. So they give you a decent sized pinion to start. And you know what, it might be an 81 tooth spur. Off the top of my head, I can't remember the stock spur, but I need to keep track of that stuff, you know what I mean? Because I am gonna gear it up eventually. I'll put a pinion on it as big as I can get to fit with that stock spur. I'm thinking 26, 27, 28, right in there. I could go up 3 teeth, no problem. No problem, go up 3 teeth on the spur, or pinion, and keep the stock spur intact. It's not that easy to get to the pinion on these. And if you want to swap the spur out, it's even more to, you know. But this rocket combo is sweet. This rocket combo is perfect for this. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I love it. It's proper quick too. Not bad at all. We gotta go. We gotta take her in. There's the wife telling us we gotta go. It's proper quick too. I know, I had to do the maiden run. fun. The tire compound's on the firmer side, so it's sliding and I don't think it's wearing. They're not super soft. Not bad. I'm getting decent tire wear actually. They will live another day. So there you go. The Lazer SB Dirt Cross by Kyosho. Pretty sick. I like it. I left the body cut pretty low. I need to trim that up a smidge. I mean, there's obviously a little bit more work to do, but I'll catch you guys later. We'll do another update on this. Maybe gear it up, see what happens. So there you go. I can see the wear spot. Like, this didn't dry proper overnight or whatever, but I got a little wear mark right there. I'm gonna have to touch up with a paintbrush. But dude, let me tell you, I'm properly satisfied. That was quicker than I thought it was and expecting it to be right out of the box. See, look at the gear cover, guys. I painted mine black, so you know, do what you want there, leave it clear for all I care. Everyone does their own thing. But I painted mine black. I just think it looks cooler. You don't need it to be clear. Pop it off, 2 screws, whatevs, right? Even put a decal on that son of a gun, man. Makes it look cool. A little bit of droop. I'm properly impressed with the electronics, the rocket, the combo, all worked out great. Perfect KV. Could gear it up a little, but it was proper quick for stock. The tires are a little hard. I'm gonna fix that with Schumachers and hot laps. But I couldn't ask for a better maiden voyage there, maiden run. So I'm stoked, guys. Super stoked. Okay, I'm headed to see Mission Impossible Part 2, so check you later.
We'll see how she goes.